Yachts on fire, flames twisting like a dancer. Zia's got the moves, but no one's got the answers. Webs on the block, schemes thick as molasses. Alicia in the corner, counting paper like classes. Flick the lighter, sparks fly, the night's quiet. Dreams burn slow, desires wrapped in barbed wire. Ho, 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 echoes in the alley, no.
दोस्तों, आज मैं आपको लेकर चलूंगा मलेशिया के दिल कुआलालंपुर में वाक़िया एक ऐसे होटल की तरफ जिसे बचत, सहूलत और आराम के लिए बेहतरीन है। हॉलिडे इन एक्सप्रेस कुआलालंपुर। अगर आप कुआलालंपुर का सफ़र प्लान कर रहे हैं, चाहे फैमिली के साथ हो, चाहे बिजनेस ट्रिप या सोलो ट्रैवल, तो ये वीडियो आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें, क्योंकि आज मैं आपको हर चीज़ तफसील से और ईमानदारी के साथ शेयर करूंगा। हॉलिडे इन एक्सप्रेस होटल कुआलालंपुर शहर के इंतहाई स्ट्रेटेजिक एरिया में वाक़िया है। ये होटल KLCC, पेट्रोनस ट्विन टावर, बुतिक बिंतिक और अहम शॉपिंग मॉल के बहुत करीब है। जैसे ही आप होटल के सामने पहुंचते हैं तो एक जदीद, सादा मगर प्रोफेशनल डिज़ाइन आपका इस्तकबाल करता है। ये कोई शहाना 5 स्टार होटल नहीं, लेकिन जो चीज़ फ़ौरन महसूस होती है वो है सफाई, नज़्म, दोस्ताना माहौल।
Yachts on fire, flames twisting like a dancer. Zia's got the moves, but no one's got the answers. Webs on the block, schemes thick as molasses. Alicia in the corner, counting paper like.
This is my room. You have either watch, one cell phone, one landline phone. Also here is a table for writing. Here is a kettle for tea. You make self tea. You want tea, just you make tea and drink. Also the refrigerator for cold water. You put, this is your locker. Now I will open this to it. My locker is open, and I push and press the lock button. This is lock. This is lock. It is a mirror for brushing. This is my cloth. Is a hanger. Also, this is a washroom, but it's very nice.
Yachts on fire, flames twisting like a dancer. Zia's got the moves, but no one's got the answers. Webs on the block, schemes thick as.
Electronic door. Also, this is electronic electricity. I put this card. You see, if I remove this card, electricity go. You see, electricity go. And now I again put card inside, but now I put this card inside, and you see electricity will come. Is the electronic key for in the slippers for walking inside. Now I'm making coffee, and it is going too hot. And my cup is ready. Also the sugar, the coffee. This is the room temperature. You control the room temperature. Now I am putting the 20. Now the room temperature. Water is boiling. You can see the water is a boil and is a off. Now I am making coffee. Thank you so much. I just close the dish. And I put water in the cup.
Yachts on fire, flames twisting like a dancer.
Water. And this. Close this.
Yachts on fire, flames twisting like a dancer.
Can you see me? Yes. I put coffee inside. I put coffee.
The night's quiet. Dreams burn slow, desires wrapped in barbed
And
wire.
this is the sugar. Brown sugar. Look for also health. Brown sugar always use, but not too much. I
Yachts on fire, flames twisting like a dancer. Zia's got the moves, but no one's got the answers. Webs on the block, schemes thick as molasses. Alicia in the corner, counting paper like classes. Flick the light. Ain't no time for discussion. Zia paints
My
the
coffee is
sky
ready.
with graffiti of the heart. Waves on the hustle, never missing his part. Alicia hums off, melody in the chaos. The world's a roulette.
Thank you
Spins just
so
to
much.
pay off. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Voices echo in the breeze. Ho, ho, ho. Shadow
Very
figures
nice.
in the time.
Very nice. Thank you. When you will travel in a long, so just you have knowledge, you will prepare that good. Thank you. Grazie.
Yachts on fire, flames twisting like a dancer. Zia's got the moves, but no one's got the answers. Webs on the block.
This is my room, and now you are looking in the outside of the hotels, in the back side of the hotel, and also there are very nice hotels. It is nice, but also the expensive. 9:55 in the morning. Everything is fine and good. But I am ready for a visit some places. Thank you guys. I am going to sleep now in the central AC in the hotel. There's a room and corridor. In total, all in the hotel in the central AC. Now the temperature is very high and cold. Good night.
Yachts on fire, flames twisting like.
Good morning, viewers. Malaysia is a very nice country. Also, I am in the Kuala Lumpur. Visit in the Pahang state, also in the Ceylon state.
Yachts on fire, flames twisting like a dancer. Zia's got the moves, but no one's got the answer.
My bag is ready. Now I'm going. Everything is fine. Hope is very nice. So again, one time, thank you to you.
Yachts on fire, flames twisting like a dancer.